And Bruno says he's asking the public for the benefit of the doubt and the presumption of innocence. The former political heavyweight says even in the wake of what he calls profoundly unfair prosecution, he says his 32 years in the Senate have all been worth it because of the good he believes he's been able to accomplish for his district and the entire state.
So now the big question is what happens next for the former Senate Majority Leader. Our team coverage continues tonight as News 10's Nicole Lally sits down with a local legal expert to find out what the future may hold for Bruno.
Joe Bruno is facing the possibility of up to 20 years behind bars if convicted. Serious consequences for what local attorney Thomas Carr calls serious charges.
That's kind of the hammer that the feds use in a lot of these cases to force a plea deal. So he could get something as simple as probation with forfeiture of the $3.2 million. Or ultimately, if he takes it to trial, he could be acquitted completely.
Bruno denies any wrongdoing, saying he plans to fight to clear his name, and that fight could take many months, even years.
Joe Bruno himself said today that he wants to get this case in front of a jury. He wants to go to a trial. He feels that it's been conducted under, as he put it, a cloak of secrecy, and he wants to get it in front of jurors who are made up of the general public.
It is the public Bruno served for more than 30 years that may ultimately decide his fate. For the time being, he will remain in the capital region and likely spend many hours working with his defense team.
He's not a flight risk. I mean, he's got his entire family are up here. He's got many business entities up here. He's got his horse farm up here. You know, he's not really a flight risk.
Reporting in Albany, Nicole Lally, News 10.
And stay tuned to News 10. We will have continuing coverage of this story as it develops over the coming days and months.